Marhaba, this is Razan. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to count from 31 to 40 using verb to buy in a past tense. يلا, let's start. الأرقام العربية Arabic numbers. When reading numbers 21 to 99, you must begin from the right. For instance, 21 is read as 1 and 20. When using numbers 21 to 99 as adjectives, the noun being described takes the singular form. The number is the same whether the noun is masculine or feminine. Now we will go through each number and put them in a sentence. 31 31 literally means 1 and 30. 31. For example, اشتريت 31 صحن. I bought 31 plates. اشتريت 31 صحن. 32 32 literally means 2 and 30. 32 اشتريت 32 صحن. I bought 32 plates. اشتريت 32 صحن. 33 33 literally means 3 and 30. 33. For example, اشتريت 33 سكينة. I bought 33 knives. اشتريت 33 سكينة. 34 34 literally means 4 and 30. 34. For example, اشتريت 34 سكينة. I bought 34 knives. اشتريت 34 سكينة. 35 35 literally means 5 and 30. 35. For example, اشتريت 35 شوكة. I bought 35 forks. اشتريت 35 شوكة. 36 36 literally means 6 and 30. 36. For example, اشتريت 36 شوكة. I bought 36 forks. اشتريت 36 شوكة. 37 37 literally means 7 and 30. 37. For example, اشتريت 37 معلقة. I bought 37 spoons. اشتريت 37 معلقة. 38 38 literally means 8 and 30. 38. اشتريت 38 معلقة. I bought 38 spoons. اشتريت 38 معلقة. 39 39 literally means 9 and 30. 39. اشتريت 39 كاسة. I bought 39 glasses. اشتريت 39 كاسة. 40 40 40. For example, اشتريت 40 فنجان. I bought 40 cups. اشتريت 40 فنجان. Now let's have a recap. 31 31 31. 32 32 32. 33 33 33. 34 34 34. 35 35 35. 36 36 36. 37 37 37. 38 38 38. 39 39 39. 40 40 40. Now we will have a vocabulary recap. Plate صحن صحن. knife سكينة سكينة. fork شوكة شوكة. spoon معلقة معلقة. glass كاسة كاسة. cup فنجان فنجان. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Yalla bye.